Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add leads from Typeform to Google Sheets automatically. Suppose I'm a business owner and I'm using Typeform as my form builder. Now I want whenever a new form is submitted, their details automatically get added in Google Sheets. So yes, we can do this by using Pabbly Connect. We just need to set trigger as Typeform and action as Google Sheets. So whenever a new lead is generated, it automatically get added in Google Sheet. If you also want to build this powerful automation, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. So this is the automation workflow I've created using Pabbly Connect. It automatically adds all the new submission made in Typeform to Google Sheet. Let me show you a real-time example. First, we will go to our Google Sheet. As you can see here, there is no data here right now. Now I will open Typeform and enter some details like first name, last name, phone number, email address, and company name. Then I will click on the submit button. And as you can see, the data instantly appears in my Google Sheet like first name, last name, mobile number, email address, and company name that I've entered. If you also want to build this powerful automation, let me walk you through the entire setup. So on the new tab, you need to enter www.pabbly.com. Then hit the enter button. Now you will land on the Pabbly's landing page. Here you will see two main options, sign in and sign up. If you don't have any Pabbly account, you can click on this sign up free for free account and you will get 100 free credits every single month. As I have already an account, I will click on this sign in button. Here you will see all the apps provided by Pabbly. But for now, we are using this Pabbly Connect. To use this application, we need to just click on this Access Now button and we land on the dashboard. Here you will see few options like task allotted, task consumed, task remaining, free task consumed. And on the bottom side, you will see all the recent created workflows. Now to create a new flow, we just need to click on this create flow button. If you want modern, faster and more flexible one, you can click on this. But for this video, we are going to use this classic one. Now I will change my flow name. After changing my name, I'm going to click on this create button to create new workflow. And as you can see, our workflow has been created successfully. Here is the most important part you need to understand. Here you will see two types of options, triggers and actions. Triggers means when this happens and action means do this. It means when this happened, do this. It's like one commander and multiple soldiers. You can create one trigger and create multiple type of actions. So our trigger app is Typeform. So we just need to select Typeform by typing here like this. Now I need to select trigger event, which is new entry. Then I click on this connect button to connect my Typeform to Pabbly Connect. Trigger. If you have an existing connection, you can click directly on the save button. But if you don't have, you need to click on this new connection and then click on this connect with Typeform. Now here you will need to accept all the term and conditions. After that, our triggers connects automatically, as you can see. Now here I need to select the form, which is demo form that I have already created. Now I will click on this save and send request. Now here as you can see, it is saying once you have clicked over the save and test request button, then do a test submission record in that application in order to capture the response here. So we are going to Typeform. As you can see, I've created this form already. Now I will go to this form. You can edit this form according to you. Now I will click on the share button and copy this link. Now I will paste on new tab. Now I'm going to fill all these details. After entering all the details, I will click on the submit button. Now if I go to our workflow, and as you can see, it captured all the response that we have entered, like first name, last name, phone number, email, and company name. Now we need to connect our Google Sheet. For that, just scroll down and click on this actions. So I will search Google Sheets. Now I need to select action event. So I will click on this search and select add new row. Now I will click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, you can click directly on the save button. If you don't have one, you can click on this add new connection for new. So as I have already a connection, I click on this save button. And here I need to select a spreadsheet which named as Typeform new submission. So I will select that spreadsheet from here, and here I need to select sheet. I only have one sheet as you can see here, so it automatically selected. Now we need to map the data. Data mapping is a method used in Pabbly which simply means inserting the data from the previous step. In our case, the previous step is the trigger, where we selected Typeform as our trigger app. As soon as I enter all the details, they will turn dynamic and change automatically with the new form submission. Once the data is mapped properly, our workflow will be ready and start working in real time. So for the first name, I will click like this and click on this Typeform new entry. Here I will select first name, and for the last name I will click like this, click on the Typeform new entry and map this last name. Now I am going to do the same for mobile number as well, like this, and for email address. And last for company name, as you can see. After entering all these details, I will click on this save and send test. And as you can see here, I am getting a positive response. It means our trigger app and action app has been successfully connected. Now I am going to my Google Sheets, and as you can see, these details added one more time. It means our workflow is now completed. So I'm going to summarize all the process that I've done in this video. So first of all, we created the trigger and we selected application as Typeform and trigger event as new entry. In the action, we selected action event as add new row. So whenever someone submits a form using Typeform, our trigger event will automatically be triggered and do this action, which is adding a new row in Google Sheets. Not only this, you can create multiple types of automations. I've also provided this workflow link on the description. You can check out below. Not just this automation, you can create many types of powerful workflows using Pabbly Connect. If you have any question, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can visit our community forums.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issues, you can visit this link given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.